Have you ever noticed a pencil looking bent in water? This is refraction, the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. It happens because light slows down in denser materials.
Have you ever wondered how rainbows form? It starts when sunlight enters a raindrop. As the light passes through, it bends. This refraction separates white light into beautiful colors. Have you ever wondered why stars twinkle? It is not because they are changing. As starlight passes through our turbulent atmosphere, Earth's air bends the light, creating a sparkle.